start with an attention-grabbing statement. Imagine two of Japan's biggest carmakers teaming up to take on Tesla and the EV giants. Yes, Honda and Nissan might be merging. Here's why this could reshape the automotive world. Briefly introduce the topic. Honda and Nissan are reportedly in talks about a potential merger. This could create one of the largest automotive alliances globally. But why now? And what does this mean for the future of cars, especially electric vehicles? Outline what the video will cover. The reasons behind the merger. Potential challenges. The impact on the EV market. Give some context about Honda and Nissan. Highlight their current standings in the EV market. Mention challenges they face, especially in competing with Tesla and Chinese EV manufacturers like BYD. Touch on Nissan's existing alliance with Renault and Mitsubishi, and Honda's focus on innovative EVs. Explain why Honda and Nissan are considering this move. Rising competition. The need to compete with Tesla and BYD in the EV space. Shared resources. Merging could reduce R&D costs, especially for EVs and autonomous tech. Synergies. Combining expertise, Nissan's EV experience, e.g., Leaf, with Honda's hybrid technology. Economic pressures, challenges in the Chinese market and shifting consumer demands. Discuss what this merger could bring. Creation of one of the largest automotive groups globally. Faster innovation in EV and hybrid technologies. Cost savings and improved global competitiveness. Enhanced manufacturing and supply chain capabilities. Dive into potential obstacles. Cultural differences between the companies. Complications with Nissan's Renault alliance. Political and regulatory hurdles in Japan. Market skepticism. Will merging actually help them compete with Tesla or BYD? Speculate on how this merger could impact the global automotive landscape. Could this inspire other major players to form alliances? Will it lead to more innovative, affordable EVs? How does this position Honda-Nissan in the race to dominate the EV market? Recap the key points. A Honda-Nissan merger could shake up the auto industry by creating a powerhouse capable of taking on Tesla, BYD, and others in the EV space. But with great opportunities come big challenges. Will they succeed? What do you think about this potential merger? Will it transform the EV industry, or is it just wishful thinking? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates on the automotive world.